If you're trying to decide between ClarifAI and Amazon Rekognition for your AI image recognition needs, you've come to the right place. Both claim to have robust capabilities, but are they really equal when it comes to real-world performance? In this video, we're diving deep into both platforms to find out which is actually better for you. First thing, let's talk about clarity of use. ClarifAI's user interface is sleek and intuitive, making it great for beginners and businesses that don't have the technical expertise to dive into complicated setups. It's all about simplicity here. However, this ease of use can come with limitations. For example, while it's quick to get started, more complex customizations may require some learning or coding, especially if you're dealing with unique image data. Next thing, let's move to accuracy. Both ClarifAI and Amazon Rekognition excel in object detection and image labeling, but the accuracy can vary. ClarifAI uses a blend of custom models and pre-trained models that deliver solid results for most categories like fashion, food, and general objects. Amazon Rekognition, on the other hand, uses deep learning and is specifically known for its facial recognition capabilities. While it's super accurate in identifying faces, its performance on general image labeling can sometimes be inconsistent, especially when you're dealing with low-quality images. The third thing to consider is pricing. ClarifAI offers a more transparent pricing model with free tiers for small developers, but it can get expensive as you scale. On the other hand, Amazon Rekognition, being part of AWS, integrates easily with other AWS services, but you might end up paying for services you don't need, especially if you're only after image recognition without the heavy lifting of other AWS tools. This makes Rekognition a bit more challenging to predict when it comes to cost management. The fourth thing is integration. If you're already working within the AWS ecosystem, Amazon Rekognition is the obvious choice. It integrates seamlessly with other AWS services, which is a huge plus if you're looking to build a complex system that involves more than just image recognition. ClarifAI, on the other hand, also offers solid API integrations, but the AWS integration edge is hard to beat here. Next, let's talk about customization. ClarifAI shines in its ability to tailor models for specific needs. You can train your own models with your dataset, which gives it a level of flexibility that Rekognition can't quite match. Amazon Rekognition does allow some degree of customization, but it's more rigid compared to ClarifAI. So if your business requires fine-tuned models, ClarifAI is the stronger contender. The last thing to mention is support. Amazon has a huge support network due to its massive infrastructure, and Rekognition benefits from that. However, this can sometimes feel impersonal or slow if you don't already have a relationship with AWS. ClarifAI, being a more specialized AI company, offers customer service that's more direct and personal. So if you're looking for a hands-on approach, ClarifAI might offer a better experience. At the end of the day, both ClarifAI and Amazon Rekognition offer great capabilities, but they serve slightly different needs. If you want a platform that's easy to use, highly customizable, and with more direct support, ClarifAI might be the way to go. However, if you're deep into the AWS ecosystem or need highly reliable facial recognition, Amazon Rekognition could suit you better. Now, if you've tested both of these tools and are still looking for something better that fits your specific goals, I've got something for you. After trying all of them myself, I've found a platform that stands out in performance, customization, and ease of use. You can take advantage of a free trial by checking the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, don't miss out. Click that link and see for yourself.